Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is November 8th, 2024, and this is my weekly market review. We're reviewing the NASDAQ 100, that's QQQ, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. And one guy asked me, why do I do this? And I do it for free, he says. He said, are anybody paying you? No, I said, nobody's paying me. I do it because it makes me take a look at the market myself and help me make decisions on my positions that I have in the market. Also, I need to review and verify that everything is still okay for me to continue to hold. That's usually what the case is. I'm usually holding, or it's time for me to get out. And this has been a very good year so far. The market has been bullish all year on most of the indexes, so I continue to hold. That's just, again, it's very simple for me, the way I trade, So, and this is like the majority of what I'm looking at, just what I'm showing you guys. All right, but that's it. Let's go ahead and go down to this quarterly chart and see what we see. Let's resize this, see if it's going to resize right. Nope, never does the first time, but let's get it about right here. Let's zoom in. This has been a crazy week. It kind of was expected with the election. And I think I don't think it would have mattered who was elected as president. We was going to have a crazy week in the market. That's just what the market does. You can verify that by going back and looking after the last 5 elections and see that after the election, the market does something crazy like this, moves up like it does, But on this quarterly chart, we can see we are at a R2 level on the NASDAQ now. We did finally break that 500 level, and we're trying to go higher. We have made all-time highs again this week. But let's go down to the monthly chart and take a quick look at that and zoom in here a little bit right here. As you can see, it was a very big week. Here on these quarterly pivots, we're almost at an R1 level on the NASDAQ here now, and looking to go higher. We are above the 9-10 moving average, so we are still in a bull market. That's all I really look for, and that's what we're doing here. Let's go down to the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, what we see here, last week we had that bearish looking pattern at the top, but like I think if you saw in one of my videos, I put fake out in a very small print. You can go back and look at it and show that I did say that, and like I say, this whole election thing may have been the catalyst to actually get us to pop over there and start making all-time highs and get over 500, and that's just what has happened this week, and that's where we're heading at. That's where we're at right now. Look like we're going to head. This is on monthly pivots. Look like we might actually even reach an R3 level. The market very seldom does that, so I'll be really kind of mindful of your position now that we are this high. If you are still in the market like some of us are, it was no reason for me to pull out. I already pulled back, and I was still in. So again, you just hold out. One position I did jump out early because it had earnings, and I wasn't sure if I should ride it over earnings or not, and I didn't, but I had almost made 100% on that position anyway, so I was okay with the profit that I had, and I just didn't want to give any of it back, But that's that. Getting a little bit off track. But as we can see on this weekly chart, we are above an R2 right now, and we're looking to reach an R3. Let's go down to the daily noise and see what just actually happened here this week. Zoom, 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 and look like I got daily pivots on here. And let me change these to weekly pivots right quick. Change this to weekly. That's what we should be here. Boom, so my other charts will be coming up here, and we can see this week we started out down here and then after the election we had a gap up and a follow through. We're probably going to have what they call a Trump rally like it did last time Trump got elected, so it won't be don't be the only big surprise that we will have if we do get a big downswing before the first of the year. I'm kind of not expecting that. I expect us to run at least through the end of the year now, have a nice Christmas rally, a nice Trump rally, and let's just see if we can kind of like ride this wave on out through the end of the year. No trade recommendation there. That's just kind of like what I expect, after this whole election thing. and that's what I see happening at this time. We have at all-time highs again here on the NASDAQ, and let's just see if we can continue doing this. We will get a pullback at some time, we got a lot of gaps in the market. So let's see just if it's going to stay above 500 at this time. That's just what we're going to be looking for and watching out for. But that's it. That's pretty much all I really want to have here on the cues and all. I hope you guys had a great week. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.